In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Windows 11 Mobile Hotspot. So with the Windows 11 Mobile Hotspot, other devices can connect to your Windows computer while your Windows is connected to Wi-Fi. So as you can see, this Windows computer is connected to Wi-Fi. Then I can easily turn on the mobile hotspot on this Windows computer for other devices to see it as a Wi-Fi device or as a hotspot on their devices. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is click on the start button like this. Then locate the settings and click on that. Now once you click on settings, wait for the settings page to load. Once the settings loads, come to this left side, locate network and internet and select that. Now once you selected network and internet, ensure that the Wi-Fi is connected. So this must be connected first, so that you're able to share the mobile hotspot with any device you want to connect it to. Then after that, just scroll down, you should see mobile hotspot. Then click on this pointed arrow to show the mobile hotspot detail. You can see here. Then go ahead and click on turn on. Mark you before you turn on the mobile hotspot you want to share your connection from. So choose here and select where the connection is coming from. And you may want to share this over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So if you choose to share this over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices that are connected to your Windows computer, we're going to use the mobile hotspot. So for others to join this, just click on Wi-Fi and then turn this on. Once that is enabled, you should see device connected here under here. And here you have access to the mobile hotspot name, the hotspot password, and then the band available. So in this case, it is set to any band. And once you have any devices connected to the mobile hotspot in your Windows 11 computer, then this is what you're going to see. You see that? So I have one of 8 devices connected to my Windows 11 mobile hotspot. So this I can easily turn on mobile hotspot on Windows 11. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.